Hello friends, welcome back. Here is an important update related to TCS Digital 2021. Assessment for TCS Digital 2021 will be held on 27th and 28th of January. Last date to register, salary after TCS Digital, FAQs related to TCS Digital, eligibility criteria. All these things will be discussed in this video. Every question that may be possible from your side will be discussed in this video. So let us start from your first question. When I tried to access the Nomi link, I am getting access denied. Why is it so? You are unable to access the link as you might not be meeting the eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria? Full-time C1 or below grade associate with experience range 0 to 3 years as on 31st of December 2020 or C2 grade associate with experience up to 3 years as on 31st of December 2020 or C1 or below grade associate in any experience range with T factor greater than or equal to 3 as on 31st of December 2020. So, don't be confused. If you are candidate with 0 to 3 years of experience, you have nothing to do with your T factor. Whatever your T factor, you are eligible for this assessment. With educational qualification, full-time BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MS, BSc, BCA, and equivalent qualification. You must not be a digital or innovator cadre. If you are not sure about your cadre, you can check with your HR. They will assist you to know about your cadre. I am C1 and have more than 3 years of experience. I do not have a T factor greater than or equal to 3, but I will be able to reach there soon. Will I be eligible for the same? If the associate has T factor greater than or equal to 3 as on 31st of December 2020, then he or she will be eligible for the assessment. Survey will be extended for 5 more days for those associate who complete on 31st of December to enable their registration. I am C2 or above grade with more than 3 years of experience, but I have a T factor of greater than or equal to 3. Am I eligible? Unfortunately, not for this program, but you can look about for Wings 2 and Wings 3 program based on your eligibility criteria and attempt the same. I am C1, but is it mandatory? I need to have T factor greater than or equal to 3 to attempt the exam. If you have less than 3 years of experience as of 31st of December 2020, you are eligible even if you have a T factor less than 3. But for those whose experience is more than 3 years, but in C1, you need to have a T factor greater than or equal to 3. I fall under one of the above criteria, but I am not able to log in to Nomi portal as it is showing access denied. Whom should I contact? Connect with your unit HR or TD. They will help connect to the BG team. Please give them your criteria and they will be able to check if you fall under the below criteria. If they find you qualify, then they will connect with Elevate team and help process your enrollment. I am a fresher, joined on 26th of November 2020, but still I am not able to access the registration survey. Associate who have joined after 16th of November 2020 and any prospective associate who joined before 31st of December 2020 will be added to the community and registration survey. It will be done in batches, so it will be done by 31st of December. I am a C1 grade associate with T factor greater than or equal to 3, but still I am not able to access the registration survey. C1 grade associate who have scored T factor greater than or equal to 3 after 16th of November 2020 till 31st of December 2020 will be added to the community and registration survey. It will be done in batches, so it will be done by 31st of December. I see TCS Ion Center in another location which is not mentioned in the list. Can you add it? We have checked for availability of Ion Center and booked them for the same across all locations based on availability and minimum required number per location. We will be unable to add more center for this assessment. It's difficult for me to attend the exam at the scheduled time based on prior commitment. Can I get another alternative date or time? The assessment date and time are decided based on IIN exam center available across locations, and it is not possible to change the assessment date and time. What is the frequency of the digital assessment? It will happen once in 6 months, January and July. If I am unable to attend this assessment, can I take the next assessment? Yes, you can. If you are able to meet the eligibility criteria, then surely you can attend next assessment. If I do not clear in this assessment, can I take up the next assessment? Yes, you can take up the next assessment provided you meet the eligibility criteria. Sorry, I forgot to mention earlier, the last date to register for this assessment is 3rd of January. So register as soon as possible. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I request all of you to subscribe this channel TCS India.